Whether your repair is simple or complex, you'll be more successful if you break the procedure down into steps, making it more manageable. I'll take you through this part replacement repair one step at a time. To replace the right side freezer rail in this LG refrigerator, you will need a flathead jeweler screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a Phillips screwdriver or drill driver with a number 2 Phillips bit. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the power cord. Fully extend out the top freezer tray by lifting the front, then pull out the ice container. Next, pull and lift out the freezer tray. Lift the bottom freezer drawer out from the rear. Use the jeweler screwdriver to depress the tab on the drawer gear and pull up to detach it from the slide rail. Pull the bar away from the other gear. Loosen and remove the 2 Phillips screws securing the freezer door and lift it up and out to remove it. Now remove the 3 screws on the freezer rail and pull the rail from the cavity. Using the flathead, release the tab holding the slider and remove it. To install the new freezer rail, insert the slider into the rail and snap it into place. Position the rail assembly into the freezer cavity with the back tabs first, then thread and tighten the 3 screws. Set the freezer door by hooking the connector rails to the sliders. Screw in the 2 Phillips head screws to secure the door. Insert the bar into the set gear and snap the gear on the other end into its slot within the slide rail. This can be difficult to align. Place the drawer back inside the freezer. slide the tray back into the guide rails. Then insert the ice container. Plug in the appliance. The LG refrigerator should now be ready for use.